Hi, on this video we'll be talking about the current state of the stock market. Unfortunately, it's not good news. It all boils down to the Federal Reserve. Inflation is still high and not coming down as fast as we'd like. Economic reports are not looking good, which means the Federal Reserve will need to inflict more damage with tighter monetary policy. And that's not going to be good news for the economy or the stock markets. Let's look at the numbers. The rate of inflation was at 9.1% in June, falling to 6.5% in December, and then only slightly decreasing to 6.4% in January. This is bad news for the Fed, as inflation is becoming stickier, and we're stuck in the 6% range. We're hoping that the February CPI inflation report will be better, but based on the January PPI report, it's not looking good. The PPI, or Producer Price Index, shows the change in prices for domestic producers, and it's a leading indicator for CPI inflation. Unfortunately, the PPI rose 6% year-over-year and 0.7% month-over-month. This means that high inflation is persisting. Let's talk about the labor market. The latest jobless claims report showed only 194,000 claims, which is good news for the labor market, but bad news for inflation. The Federal Reserve is closely watching this number to make decisions on monetary policy. However, it's important to note that some recently announced layoffs may not be included in this number due to severance pay affecting eligibility for unemployment benefits. Finally, let's talk about retail sales. In January, retail sales saw the largest monthly rebound in 2 years, with sales growing in almost every category. This is great for the economy, but it's not good news for inflation. So there you have it, folks. The stock market is facing further downside, and we're not talking about the distant future. We're talking about right here, right now. As an investor, it's important to keep an eye on the Federal Reserve and the state of the economy. If you find value in the content I'm sharing, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a like. Your support helps us continue to create informative and helpful videos for our viewers. Thank you.